Hello guys, my name is Saad Hussain. I work here at Hyundai of Seattle, one of the top leading and growing industry here at our dealership. Today I'm going to present you guys with a brand new all-wheel drive 2020 Santa Fe Limited with a 2.4 liter on it. Now the Limited does have the top of the line upgrade system. It has all the premium packages and along with a lot of advanced safety technology features on it. Come on by the vehicle, actually follow me over here. The vehicle does actually have a unique look, super beautiful. You got your front camera over there, you got your forward collision-avoidance assist, and you have this beautiful updated chrome on the entire body that kind of just gives it an aggressive look on the car. Not only you're able to walk away with the top of the line product, but you're gonna also walk away with the top of the line warranties on this vehicle as well. Now, on the part of the this full-size SUV, I would highly recommend it for family size, especially if you're worried about the safety of your kids, your pets. This is the vehicle. This is your vehicle. You do have these safety lights that would also blink, if you know, to kind of avoid for other drivers to collide in you at the time of the lane keeping. You have your beautiful keyless entry here. As long as you have your keys in your pocket or in your purse, or as long as the keys are within range, you're always able to open the door of the car as well. Come on over here, take a look at it. The seats are powered driver and passenger seats. You have this beautiful leather interior look as well with a 10.3-inch screen over there as well. You have your Apple CarPlay, you have your all your sensors in there along with the seat as well. You got heated front seats and ventilated front seat as well. This vehicle also features rear seats as well, fully leather seats. You got your panoramic sunroof in there. You got all your ventilation for your passengers as well. There you got 2 additional USB ports in the back seats as well, which is always nice. You could have few family members working just from the back, having, you know, their laptop and stuff as well. Come on over here. I'd like to show you guys the trunk over here as well. You do have all these sensors on the body. They are high enough to sense, you know, any for pedestrians, any moving objects. So you will have, you know, all that feature in there as well. The vehicle also offers a powered trunk release. You could actually, let's say if your garage is a little bit too high for this, you could always set it to the right trunk. Over here you have all these accessories that come with the vehicle. The seats are able to fold down if you wanted more cargo space. I mean, look at this space. You could fit almost like a whole mattress in there. Look at that, guys. Not only you guys are able to fold down the seats, you guys actually have powered rear seats where you could just fold it down and eliminate all that work where you have to open the doors and manually put it down. You don't have to do any of that. The vehicle is powered rear seats. You do have an additional cargo cover on it as well, and the vehicle is equipped with high premium sound system in there as well, so you're fully set on that as well. Come on over here, let's explore more on the driver's seat. You do have the blind spot detection view along with the blind view monitor, where it's actually going to show you cameras on the side, where if there's vehicles on the side, you're able to see it right off your dash panel. Come on inside on the driver's seat here real quick. You do have your lane keeping assist along with the forward collision. You do have your this steering wheel wrapped around with leather for really perfect grip here. Like I said, the driver's side is seated. You could always adjust you know, the height of the level you know, with your preference. Along with that, the vehicle is loaded. It gives you about 27 miles to the gallon on the freeway, and it gives you about 21 miles on city-to-city drive limits. I wish you guys have to see this in person. I wish you guys come here and see what we have here. We'll take great care of you guys. Like I said, my name is Saad. I work here at over at Hyundai of Seattle. Come see me, guys. We'll take great care of you guys. You guys are in great hands, and we will make sure that your experience is the best here at Hyundai of Seattle. See you guys, and make sure to ask for my name, Saad. I'll see you guys.